Alright, y'all. I'm here to vacuum the area rugs using my Kirby Heritage. I hope y'all enjoy it. So we don't have any technical difficulties. Kirby Heritage. I mean, it is the closest thing I have to a compact 1600 or 1600, whichever you want to call it. Though supposedly Jeremiah Johnson, also on YouTube, he has the blue Hoover convertible for a profile picture on YouTube. He's going to get one that he's going to give to him. I don't know, I haven't really got much confirmation on that. Tell you, this Kirby has not failed to impress me. And if you had seen the crazy cat lady house I had to clean, then you would have been wondering, how did this Kirby survive it? Well, I didn't do the rooms that just squelched and all that, where the carpet was squelched and all that. We went straight to an extraction on those. Yeah, I love my Heritage now. This one I will not be selling, because again, it's the closest thing I have to a Kirby Compact 1600. The only difference between the Convac is it actually has a handle release right up in here. The switch is on like a pedestal up here, and the bag, in order to change the bag on the Convac, instead of this, where it says Kirby Heritage and all that, or a zipper, it would have a top clamp like a sanitaire to open the bag up, and that's how you change the bag, which I believe is about along the style of a F&G style bag. I don't know, I haven't got one yet. If it does take F&G style bags, then that's what's gonna go in it, because if Jeremiah is being serious on that, which so far he hasn't lied to me. If he is being serious, then that's gonna be the case. So anyway, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And in the next video, I'll probably be running my Silver King on the hard floors. So until next time, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll be sure to keep y'all up to date with things. Bye.